If you want to use a secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A57, what you need to do is, first of all, we need to open settings. Over here in settings, we should be able to scroll down and go to security and privacy. Oh, here in security and privacy, we can proceed to more security settings. And then in here, we can find the secure folder option. We're going to tap on more and then continue. And then we need to grant some permissions, so make sure to do that. Now over here we need to wait for the secure folder to be created. Once we have the secure folder created, we need to set up the password. So we can choose a pin code, password, or pattern. You can choose whichever you prefer to use. I'm going to use a simple pattern. There we go. We need to enter our password twice and then confirm. You can also use your Samsung account in order to be able to recover the password in case you forget the password to the secure folder. In my case, I don't need it, so I'm going to tap on Don't Allow. And let's go next. There we go. Now we can choose what should happen when the secure folder is locked. So I'm going to allow background activity. And let's go next. Now in here, we can also find Hide Secure Folder for more privacy. So we can tap on Done in here. And here we have our secure folder. Now the secure folder can be accessed by going to the app drawer. It is added in here, and we can find a couple of apps that are pre-added to the secure folder. Everything that we have inside the secure folder is completely separated from everything that we have outside of it. If you want to add more apps into the secure folder, you can use this plus over here, and you can choose one of the apps that you have already installed on your phone, or you can download an app from the Play Store or Galaxy Store, and the app is going to be downloaded into the secure folder and only there. So you will not find the app outside of the secure folder unless it is already installed, of course. But if not, you will only see it in here, and it's going to be accessible only through the secure folder. We can also tap on these three dots on the right side in order to, for example, hide apps over here. There we go. You can hide apps inside the secure folder as well, in case you need to. And besides that, we have like lock and exit option. We can hide the secure folder as well. We can add files, so you can transfer files to the secure folder. We can tap on customize in order to change the appearance of the secure folder app icon in the app drawer. And of course, we have some additional settings that you can go through if needed. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.